Hi, Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Fans. Here today, a preview of our latest stock edition. This one is a bit of a nostalgic one. It's a Transporter T6.1. It's the Highline Kombi van, 204 4Motion DSG. It's one of the last ones produced by Volkswagen in Germany. It's the 2024 model, registered January 24, just over 11,000 miles. Lovely specification, supplied by us in 2024. Customer had quite a lot of additional dealer options. Very high specification vehicle. Finished in Indium Grey. It's done 11,000 miles, as I said, so super condition. It's available immediately, just been serviced, so all ready to go. Okay, so I'll walk around the video now and point out some of the features. LED headlights, daytime running lights, fully bespoke MASV styled, so gloss black grills. It's had full LVR latent kit fitted to this vehicle. Customer paid extra for the laser lamps. I think they were about £900. You can imagine, super condition. Struggling hard to find any blemishes in the paintwork, any stone chips. It's nice to see Volkswagen emblem on the glass. "20-inch gloss black velour alloys. Nice addition there. Lime green brake calipers. Gloss black mirror caps, surrounds. Privacy tint to the side and rear windows. Trapeze sidebars, roof bars as well. Move to the rear, so smoke taillight clusters, gloss and matte Volkswagen emblem and black 4Motion badging, roof spoiler. Super LVR rear diffuser. "20-inch velour gloss black alloys with Royal Rain Sport tyres, so premium tyres on there as well. Okay, so take you inside the vehicle. As I mentioned, Highline model, so very high specification. Folding wing mirrors, adaptive cruise control, front and rear park sensors, all standard equipment. Auto headlights. Now, one of the main additional features which we look for on these 4Motions is the hill descent and the mechanical diff lock. It's got a sports carbon fibre effect steering wheel, all multifunction. Customer paid an additional option of a digital dashboard, so like a Caravelle upgrade dashboard. It's got the full screen Discover Media navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, twin side electric doors, another additional option, heated seats, DSG gearbox, and a bespoke leather interior with the sport seat upgrade. So another expensive option the customer chose when he purchased in 2024. Lovely stitching to match the calipers. Subtle MASV embossed. Super condition. Just give you an idea of previous owner. He's left these, even purchased some carpets for the front door entries. Twin side electric doors, there we go. Don't think the rear seats have hardly been sat in. So again, matching bespoke leather. It's what we call a 2+1 rear seat, so can remove the single seat or the bench. Easily removable or folds forward. Easy access, of course, from the near side. Soft close electric door. There we go, so fully carpet lined, soundproofed. Alcantara roof lining with downlighters. Don't think it's hardly been used. So another option the customer went for, he had USB points fitted, 12 volt and USB. Paid extra for a detachable tow bar, again never been used. Rear camera. Electric door on the near side as well. Show the interior from here. So easy access to the rear. Lift that seat up into the rear. Downlights in the tailgate as well. From this passenger side, this lovely gloss black around the nav and the dash. There we go, looks fantastic. So if you're looking for one of the last of the 4Motion Volkswagen built Transporter T6.1s, genuine vehicle, this is the one I would say to go for. Indium Grey, fantastic colour. 2024 registered, so under manufacturer's warranty until 2027. Just over 11,000 miles. Full spec will be on our website. Some of the additional dealer options as well, all be on our website. Just been serviced, so ready to go. All noted on the Volkswagen system, so long life service, another one due in 2 years' time. Super condition. There we have it, 2024 Volkswagen T6.1 Highline Kombi van, 4Motion, 204 PS DSG, 11,000 miles. Everything, the information, photographs, this video will be on our website, www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. Certainly give myself Chris a call, 07888 989877. Happy to answer any questions, look at part exchanges, funding options, everything available. All's left to say is thank you very much for watching. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye for now.